Hold up. What if I told you the secret to melting fat was hiding in your blender? Fitness fam, get ready, because I'm about to reveal a mind-blowing smoothie bowl that'll torch calories faster than your last gym session. Skeptical? Just wait till you see what happened when I tried this for 30 days. Your transformation starts now. Picture this: you wake up, stumble to the kitchen, and instead of reaching for that tempting sugary cereal, you've got a delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast waiting for you. That's the magic of overnight oats, my friends. But we're not stopping there. Oh no, we're taking it to the next level with a weight loss smoothie bowl that'll make your taste buds dance and your waistline shrink. Now, I know what you're thinking, Zen, how can oats help me lose weight? Well, let me drop some knowledge on you. Oats are like the superhero of the grain world. They're packed with fiber that keeps you feeling full, and they've got a secret weapon called beta-glucan that helps control your blood sugar. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that 100 grams of oats have more protein than an egg? Mind-blowing, right? Let's talk about our star ingredient, overnight oats. It's like meal prep magic. You mix your oats with some milk or yogurt, let it chill in the fridge overnight, and boom! Breakfast is served. But we're not basic here at ZenFit Journey YT, so we're going to jazz it up. Quiz time. What tiny seed packs a massive nutritional punch and can absorb up to 27 times its weight in water? If you guessed chia seeds, give yourself a pat on the back. Chia seeds are like the ninja warriors of weight loss. They expand in your stomach, keeping you full, and they're loaded with omega-3s that help fight inflammation. Plus, they make your smoothie bowl look Instagram-worthy with their cool gel-like texture. It's like having tiny, edible water balloons in your breakfast. How fun is that? Now, let's get to the good stuff, our weight loss smoothie recipe. Grab your blender, because we're about to make magic happen. We're starting with our overnight oats base, adding a handful of frozen berries for antioxidants, a scoop of protein powder for muscle support, and a tablespoon of chia seeds for that omega-3 goodness. But here's where it gets interesting. We're adding a secret ingredient that'll kick your metabolism into high gear. Any guesses? It's black coffee. That's right, a shot of black coffee in your smoothie not only gives you a morning energy boost, but also helps burn fat. It's like having a personal trainer in your breakfast bowl. But don't worry, coffee haters, if you're not a fan of the bean juice, you can swap it out for some green tea for similar benefits. Now, let's talk about protein. You know what's great about protein? It keeps you full and helps build lean muscle. And you know what's an awesome source of protein that's often overlooked? Paneer. That's right, this Indian cheese is a weight loss superstar. We're going to crumble some paneer into our smoothie bowl for an extra protein punch. And if you're feeling fancy, why not try a paneer salad on the side? It's like having a mini feast that's actually good for you. But wait, there's more. I've always wanted to say that. Let's chat about some other weight loss recipes that'll complement your smoothie bowl. Ever heard of chilla? It's like a savory pancake made from lentils or chickpea flour. High in protein, low in calories, and absolutely delicious. It's the perfect sidekick to your smoothie bowl superhero. And let's not forget about hydration. Detox water is all the rage, and for good reason. It's like giving your body a spa day from the inside out. Try infusing your water with cucumber, lemon, and mint for a refreshing twist that'll help flush out toxins and keep you feeling light and energized. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Zen, this all sounds great, but I'm more of a savory breakfast person. I've got you covered. Let's talk about poha. This flattened rice dish is a staple in many Indian households, and guess what? It's great for weight loss too. Low in calories, easy to digest, and super versatile. You can add veggies, spices, and even a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra nutritional boost. And for my gluten-free friends out there, don't feel left out. Dalia, or broken wheat, is an excellent alternative to oats. It's got a nutty flavor and a texture that'll keep you coming back for more. Plus, it's packed with fiber and nutrients that'll keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the coffee bean in the smoothie bowl. Black coffee might seem like an odd addition to a breakfast bowl, but trust me, it's a game changer. Not only does it give you that morning perk, but it also boosts your metabolism and can help suppress your appetite. It's like having a little weight loss potion in your breakfast. But here's the kicker, all these amazing ingredients won't do much if you're not consistent. That's why I love the idea of overnight oats and make-ahead smoothie packs. Spend a little time on meal prep, and you'll set yourself up for weight loss success all week long. It's like your future self is high-fiving your present self for being so awesome and proactive. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with long-term. This smoothie bowl and these recipes are just tools in your wellness toolbox. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and most importantly, enjoy the process. And hey, speaking of tools, if you're looking for some awesome fitness gear to complement your new healthy eating habits, check out Byte Shop. They've got everything from workout clothes to blenders perfect for making your weight loss smoothies. Use the coupon code WELCOME10 for 10% off your first order. Your wallet will thank you, and so will your body. Alright, fitness fam, that's a wrap on our ultimate weight loss smoothie bowl adventure. I hope you're as excited as I am to try out these recipes and start your day with a nutritious, delicious, and totally Instagram-worthy breakfast. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ZenFit Journey YT for more health and fitness tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite smoothie ingredients, I'm always looking for new ideas. Until next time, remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and get closer to your goals. Stay zen, stay fit, and I'll see you in the next video.